Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take out your toolbox faster in Heartopia. So usually you had to go to your backpack to get the toolbox out, which is very annoying. You have to scroll down to find it. Now you can just press tool and you can just press it. If you have the red one, it's going to be there as well. I just ran out of the red toolbox, so this is the only one I have. But now this is way much easier than having to scroll, so thank you Heartopia for that update. Again, if you have the red one, it's going to be right here, but I did use up everything, which does remind me I do need more of the red toolbox, so I will grab that soon. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!